Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't want to waste much of your time. I just want to show you how to fix this simple error. So this is when you open Need for Speed Underground 2, it shows this error. If you get this error, you can follow these steps and the error will be solved. Most of the people won't even play these games by now, but I'm just here to fix things. Why do I always forget? Roll the intro, man. Anyways, back to the video. Okay, so to fix this, you need to first click cancel or whatever you want you can do. You need to go to Chrome and go to this website poweriso.com, and you have to select which version your Windows is. Mine is 64-bit, so I'm going to select that, and the download will start. And I'm just going to click on that so that it opens right after it completes the download. Now just click I agree, install it, and now you need to check this auto start and boot up. If you want, you can just mess around here and set this number of virtual drives to 1 and then click close. Now you need to restart your PC, so I'll be back right after restarting my PC. Once you have restarted your PC, you can just open the game and play. As you can see, it works like a charm. That's it. Thanks for watching the video, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.